about to touch every part on this truck. So y'all stick around for the journey and let's go. We made it to the crib and now we gotta try to find our bumper cap.
Few moments later.
Right here. This is what we need. So this is what we came to get. This right here. This literally goes right here in the place of this one. See, because obviously it was messed up. I'm gonna have to cut it again like I did that one. Now we're about to head to JR Tire and he gonna put some things on the truck. I'll show y'all when we get there. So yeah, man, we just made it up here to Junior's. We're actually putting spacers on the truck just for right now. So there's 2-inch spacers that's going all the way around. I'm putting these on the truck. Sorry about the noise in the background. They putting them on. I'm putting these on the truck right before we take it to the paint and get the rebuild started. So. Final result of the spacer install. It's about even. That's what I was going for. These just temporarily until I get 14 Ys on here. But yeah, now she's headed to paint.
The next day.
What's up, guys? The next day. What y'all missed is we dropped the truck off. I forgot my camera, so that's why y'all didn't see it. But yeah, that's where we in now. My brother let me take his BMW. Nice. We finna start working on this. We finna start getting this right, how he wanted. So y'all stay tuned for that. That's probably gonna be on the channel. But yeah, we finna go see what the progress on the truck is. Truck right here, actually. So they got really everything broke down, whole bed sanded, got those all, got this fixed. Oh, hold on, he might not need a new fender. Got grill taken on. So hey, this is part 1. Y'all gotta stay tuned to see how everything turned out. He got all these marked for these little dings and dents. Back bumper taken off. Oh, that's back here. Let's see. These are my side motors. I'm glad those are off. But yeah, this is just a little update on the truck, so y'all can see. Just stay tuned for the paint. Just stay tuned for the paint. But yeah. So, update. This fender right here can't be saved. The paint and everything just, see. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that's not gonna work. So, gotta get a new fender, front bumper, new front bumpers coming in that's already primed, ready for paint. Looking for a back bumper for that one. So yeah, man, the build is just coming along one day at a time, one step at a time. Appreciate y'all staying around for the video, man. This part 1, as y'all can see, we already got a lot of progress on the truck with getting it sanded down, getting ready for paint. So appreciate y'all for watching the video, man.